Everyone and welcome back to my channel. For you today I have this Sarojini Nagar vlog. I've been to Delhi recently and I vlogged it so that you can see how you can explore Sarojini from a tourist's eye. So I'm not a Delhiite, so I will be giving you an overview from the tourist's eye. So I took a Uber and reached the destination from gate 3. So this is how the gate 3 looks, and you enter and that's the heaven. So it starts off with bags and junk jewelry. You get prices which is reasonably cheap, like tops for 100 to 300 and salwars from 350 to 400, and you get ample number of choices. It's not just one or two type which is getting repeated. You get ample amount of choices, and you have to just have good eyes and a good sense of bargaining. You might not want to show interest even if you like the dress very much. Like for 350, if they say you 350 to 400, you bargain it down to 150 to 200. So that's what you need to bargain down to. So don't feel ashamed, just say whatever comes to your mind and wait for the shopkeeper to start the bargaining. I think this tip will help you guys a lot. Overall, it was a very nice experience. I did buy ample amount of stuff. I went there twice, once in the daylight and once in the evening. So it's partially closed on Mondays, so you might avoid Mondays when you're going to Sarojini. But the prices, the quality, the style statement is just bang on. You just have to have good eyes. You will get second hand things there as well. You just have to find out if you are looking for the right thing. I would highly recommend you girls visit Sarojini whenever you are in Delhi. It's a steal at that price, and the options you get are huge. Dresses are also reasonable, bags as well as shoes, you get a lot there. Saris are there but not that much. This is basically a place for western wear, I would say. So girls who are looking for western wear, go to Sarojini and you can thank me later. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. See you soon. Bye.